Today, I'll walk you through how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your favorite moments as snaps so you can connect with friends in a fun and creative way. First, let's open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon that you likely have on your home screen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat often updates its interface, but the core functions remain the same. Once you're in the app, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see an emoji icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your friends list and other fun features. Next, you'll want to locate the search icon, which usually looks like a magnifying glass. Tap on that to bring up the search bar. This is where you can find specific features or friends quickly. Now type in green into the search bar. You should see an option that says green screen. This feature allows you to create a fun background for your snaps. Select the green screen option to proceed. Once you have the green screen selected, it's time to take a picture. Position your camera to capture the moment you want to share and press the capture button. This is similar to taking a photo with any camera, so it should feel familiar. After you've taken your picture, you can add text to it. Look for the text icon, usually represented by a T or a pencil. Tap on it and type in whatever message you'd like to accompany your snap. This is a great way to personalize your message and make it more engaging. Now that your snap is ready, tap on the Send to button. This will prompt you to select the recipient of your snap. Scroll through your friends list or use the search bar to find the person you want to send it to. Once you've found the right friend, simply tap on their name to send your snap. And just like that, you've shared a picture as a snap on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.